Hello friends. I'd like to share with you a little bit of good fortune that I had the past couple of days. I was scanning Marketplace and I come across a box lot of Zippo lighters. A nice lady, Jackie, was selling a set of 7 Zippo lighters for $100. That works out to about $14 per lighter, so I just couldn't pass up on that. Now friends, let me say this. I'm in Canada and I prefer to collect Canadian Zippo lighters, so that would be lighters that are made in Niagara Falls, Ontario. The reason being is there's so many less Canadian Zippos out there than there is Zippos made in Bradford, Pennsylvania. I think Niagara Falls manufactured 500,000 lighters a year in Canada, and Bradford manufactured 16.5 million, and that's an awful lot of difference in lighters. So I just tend to collect the Canadian version of Zippo. So let's have a look and see what we got. Out of the 7 lighters, I'm hoping there's a few Niagara Falls lighters in the package. Holy smokes. Wow, that's a lot of lighters here. Okay, let's have a look, see what we got. I'm going to need my glasses to read this. The first lighter we have is from Baker's Lake, Northwest Territories. And, well, look at that. Niagara Falls, Ontario. First one right off the bat. Looks well used. The insert is also Niagara Falls, Ontario. Wow, okay, that's one. Let's see what else we got. Just opening these in no random order, no particular order. This is CCGS, Sir John Franklin. Doesn't sound familiar to me. Also from Niagara Falls, Ontario. So far that's 2 of 7 lighters. Niagara Falls. Oh, that's a little stiff. I'll have to work that out and get that out later. Let's see what else we got. Needless to say, I was quite excited to get 7 Zippos for $100. The Bay, Coral Harbor, Northwest Territories. Also Niagara Falls. 3 of 7, I can't believe that. Oh, those inserts are a little stuck, so I'm going to have to work on those. I'm hoping the insert is matching. Okay, 3 out of 7 Niagara Falls lighters. Gotta like that. Inuit Nanagaza Idigata. I'm not sure. That could be RCMP. I see the buffalo head on it. I'm not too sure what it is. I'm going to have to do a little research. Again, Niagara Falls, Ontario. 4 out of 7 lighters. That's the good fortune of buying lighters in Canada, folks. These Niagara Falls lighters might be rare in the rest of the world, but here they are quite common. Yeah, it's the original insert from Niagara Falls as well. I'm going to have to check the dates on these later. Oh, it's not going back in. Oh, the flint's laying in the bottom. A couple of flints. That's why. There we go. So far, 4 out of 7 Niagara Falls. I can't believe my luck. I'm very pleased with that. Oh, this one looks in rough shape. Oh yeah. Looks like the weld has come undone from the lid. This is Hudson's Bay Company from Big Trout Lake, Ontario. Also Niagara Falls. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a little tack weld job on that lid because I certainly don't want to send it in because I'll never get it back, I don't think. And a Niagara Falls insert, original insert. Wow, I'm impressed. So far I've got 5 of 7 Niagara Falls. That's 2 Hudson's Bay lighters. Let's have a look, see what we got here. Oh, an old brass Hard Rock Cafe, Ottawa, it says on it. Oh, made in Bradford, Pennsylvania. With a nice brass insert. Wow, that's a nice lighter. So far, 5 out of 7 lighters are Niagara Falls inserts and lighters. What do we have here? It says Resolute Bay on it. Whoa, this looks brand new. Oh, it is. Look at that. Unfired. What are the chances? Resolute Bay, Northwest Territories. And again, the Niagara Falls lighter. Wow. 6 out of 7 lighters, Niagara Falls, and a nice brass from the Hard Rock Cafe for $100. Can't go wrong with that deal. Thanks for listening, folks, and we'll see you in the next one.